So in this video, I want to talk about the in-house HeyReach integration that we have done. So I will take a look at this simple grid that I have set up that has some input variables. I am essentially also creating a personalization, AI-based personalization, and then finally pushing all of it to HeyReach. But first, before that, doing that integration, you can access all the integrations like HeyReach and others from this integrations page. You can see that I've already added a HeyReach integration along with a few other integrations. Just clicking on this add integrations, you will see that there is a HeyReach option. Once I click on it, I just need to copy the API key from my HeyReach account and paste it here. I've already done that. Of course, you can also set rate limits on any APIs that you add. That is applicable in case of HeyReach as well. But we'll keep the defaults, and this is what I've done in the HeyReach integration that I've already added. Now going back to the grid that I had created, I had set up these initial columns, but first let me go directly to the HeyReach integration or HeyReach enrichment. Now what you will see here is I need to pick up a few input variables here. First being that what is the campaign that I need to push this lead to. Now a thing that you need to do in HeyReach first is create a campaign end to end, and then then that campaign is active so that you can push these leads to them. That it may not be necessary that that campaign has to be running. It can be in pause state, but it has to be a completed campaign, not a draft campaign. So once, for example, this is a basic campaign that I had created, I am pushing some compulsory variables here, which is first name, last name, LinkedIn URL. Along with that, I am also pushing a custom variable, which is this icebreaker that I have created. And I'm adding it as a personalization variable to HeyReach. Now going towards the left, these were the some initial or like compulsory fields that I would need for HeyReach, which is the first name, last name, and LinkedIn URL. Apart from that, I've also used the recent LinkedIn post enrichment. What essentially this does is using the LinkedIn URL of the person, it gives me the recent post of these people. Now what I'm doing for AI personalization is I'm looking at especially the top or the last two posts, and based on that finding out the topic and a relevant icebreaker on that topic that might be relevant. And I'm also using output format. So in a way I'm setting the output format to give me two key values, which is topic and the topic, icebreaker key and the icebreaker text. So for example, opening this up, you will see there are two variables. Topic, I'm getting the topic that I have talked about in the last two posts, the most prominent or the relevant one, and an icebreaker, relevant icebreaker that I can do on that. Of course, you can make this personalization step more complex, include more input variables, but just for this demonstration, I've kept it simple. So essentially, once I got these two things from here, I added this icebreaker as a column. So you'll see that additional column here, which has that icebreaker text. Very basic. We have done everything very simple here. Now, finally, I am adding that, and which I already demonstrated, is adding that icebreaker column as a custom field. Now, once all of this is done, you can see that I have already run this cell, but essentially I can run this row as well or this entire grid as well. So for example, if I run this will take a few moments and the result should start coming in. Yeah. So you'll see that this time it is not added but updated because this lead was already updated by me. So yeah, this is the HeyReach integration, how to set it up, how to run it on the platform. Try it out if you're looking to do LinkedIn campaigns and looking to personalize those LinkedIn campaigns. We're happy to set you up and help you out as well. Thank you.